Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just color a little lock of, I almost called her sticks, Faye's hair, so you can see how I do that. So, these 5 things are the most important for me, at least with working on Faye, but it should help you with your orange problem. So, the marker I use is, come on, focus, chrome orange. It's not showing up that great. Yeah, I use chrome orange. Apricot works just as well. Now, the thing that shows up on that really well is just a plain old orange pencil. I have more that are longer, so no worries. So that's like going to be the main color. Base coat, main color. And then you want cadmium orange hue for making things a little bit darker. I guess you could. I don't know if there's a darker variation of orange than this, but this one's pretty good. And then I'm going to use canary yellow for the highlight. It doesn't have to be canary. In fact, if that's too harsh, you can find something different. It's just that I wasn't with my mom the last time she went to the store, and I told her what to pick up because I couldn't think of anything else by name. And then finally, white, if you so insist. So I'm going to show you how I do that real fast. Gotta lay down. Unfortunately, the quality is not going to be as good once I post this to YouTube, but it still should be good enough for you to see. Make sure I got my paper down so the marker doesn't bleed. Oh, head itches. Sorry. I'm very random. So there's the orange. And yeah, I totally get what you mean about it being weird seeing what happens to the colors of markers when you put them on tan paper. They definitely change. But it does make a difference, a huge difference. I have tested that. So we're just going to shade that much, because it's really all we need. Sometimes I blow on it and want to make it dry a little bit faster. Hope that lighting's okay. So, orange on, what did I say? Chrome orange marker? Or an apricot marker, or apricot, however you prefer to say it. I say apricot. It's just how I taught myself to say it. See how much brighter and just... You shade differently than me, though, Gigi. You have more of a rough nature about it. That's just how you do it. I make things solid because in my head everything's a Disney movie, so I have to make it look as close as I can without sacrificing all the detail. This is where cadmium orange comes in. It's subtle, but it's very nice. And then I'll put a little on these lines. It just kind of gives it something. I haven't been doing that as much lately. I've gotten kind of lazy. But yeah, basically you'll want that for, whoops, a little bit of shadow. And if you mess up, that's fine. If it's a little messy, go ahead and blend it in. Now, canary yellow, or another yellow. Not too hard. It'll pay for itself. Give it a chance. So, nice little golden arc there. You are used to, you said, going light and working backwards. That actually made me think about wanting to try drawing Faye on white paper. Not that I have any faith in it, but trying your technique of going dark or going light and then dark. I thought that was interesting sounding. And so then a little white for just, you know, that last bit of shine on her hair. Because Faye, scrupulous about that mohawk. She takes better care of her hair than I do, which is sad because I have pretty nice hair. So that is how I do an orange. I hope this helped.